So my student recently monetized her faceless prayer channel just within the space of 3 months. And what I'm going to be sharing with us in this video are the exact same strategy, the same thing she did on her channel to get this growth, to get this visibility so fast. So if you run a faceless morning prayer channel, night prayer motivational video, in fact, any faceless niche at all, this strategy can literally work because it has been tested and it has worked a lot of times. Okay, so try your best to make sure to pay attention to this particular video because I'm going to be spilling the exact same strategy she used on her video to get to this monetization. Okay, and with that much being said, let's dive straight into the video. So now, first of all, if you're wondering why am I using this kind of background, I recently traveled back home to the village. So that is why you're seeing this background. Don't worry, very soon we're going to be going back to our normal base, but be expecting this background for the main time. Okay, I think it's even kind of cool. Yeah. So now let us get into the main business of the day. What is the niche of this, my students? It's a prayer niche, and to my greatest surprise, it's not even a normal night prayer, bedtime prayer that I usually hit on every single time. This is somebody that is doing morning prayer, strictly morning prayer. She does not post mix, just morning prayer. And this person does not even post every day. She only posts 3 times every single week. Okay, so now here are the few strategies that I actually discussed and shared with her, which she took it to her channel and applied it and was able to get her channel monetized just within 3 months, close to 3 months. Yeah. So now the very first thing I used to advise my direct students is make sure you set up your channel properly. It counts. If you don't know what it means to set up a channel, I think I dropped a video some times ago on how to properly set up a faceless channel, and I was using a prayer channel as an example. So that video can literally work for any niche at all at all. It's a very very long detailed video. So if you're really interested in that video, you can go through my channel and look for that particular video title, or just drop it in the comment section and I'll be sharing the link with you. Okay, so now after creating and setting up your channel properly, the next thing you need to do is to understand how to create your video. You know, as a faceless niche, nobody is seeing your face. So what people want to hear is your voice and the visuals displaying. So you have to be very intentional when it comes to that aspect, because that is what is going to determine if your video is going to perform well or not. Just like as I always advise, make sure to get the right visuals. And for voice audio, I will always advise on 11 Labs, though it's a paid AI app voice, but it's very good. Okay, so now after understanding how to create a video from scratch to finish and as well make it very engaging, the next thing is for you to start uploading your content. See, if it is a morning prayer video, if it is a night prayer video, you need to time it with the time your audience, or the audience you want to watch your video, to be awake. Do you understand? Just like for example, let's say somebody who based in USA and the person is posting Nigerian based news updates and content. You're not going to post that video when Nigerians are sleeping. Why? Because you're going to lose those early momentum. So what you would need to do is to check out for the time that, oh, Nigerians are active. It could be in the morning, it could be in the evening. Then you post your video that time, so that once it comes live, YouTube will start pushing it to the active viewers, which are your desired audience, Nigerians. Okay, now when it comes to the faceless niche and this particular morning prayer or night prayer niche, of course everyone is looking out to get the US and UK audience, because that is where the real money is on YouTube. If you have those people as your audience on your faceless niche, you're going to really make a lot of money. I think I've shared review on how much prayer channel and some faceless channels pays here on YouTube. And if you pay attention very well, you realize that all the channels that I have reviewed so far are usually US, UK, Canada, Philippines, and the rest of them. Okay, so make sure to understand the perfect time to upload that content. So now after that, the next thing you need to do, which was what really helped that my students to achieve this massive result so fast, is understanding the pattern that is currently working on YouTube. If you are a morning prayer channel, or if you post videos on morning prayer, there's this particular thumbnail that is trending. I know, in as much I would want to show this my student channel, everybody just want their things private, just like the way I do not really broadcast my own Faceless channel. So I'm not going to be showing her channel, but I can as well give us thumbnail inspo that is currently working on this niche, just so it can help us. That is for those of us who are into it, you can test it on your videos, and believe me when I say you're going to see massive results. Okay, now when trying this thumbnail hack, please and please stop screenshotting people's thumbnail and reusing it. You can take the idea, go to Gemini AI, go to ChatGPT, and recreate your own version. Okay, now when I talk about following a particular pattern that is working, it applies both with the title and also with the thumbnail. These two things is very very important. Okay, and this is how it's being done. Let's say you just open your channel, or you are a new beginner to this niche. The first thing you need to do is to search out for channels that are currently doing well. And now, one of the mistakes that most of us are fond of doing is going to go and compete with the big channels with like 200k subs, 500k subs, 1 million subs. No, you do not need that. What you just need is look for those small small channels in your niche with like 1k subscribers, 2k, 4k subscribers. There is one particular channel that I watch here from time to time. This channel only has 4k subs but gets maximum views of 30k views, 20k views with just only 4,000 subscribers. So these are the channels you need to look up to. Okay, now study their thumbnail pattern and study their title pattern, the way they title their videos, the way they set up their thumbnails. Okay, now what you have to do on your own end is to recreate it, reuse their information. Let's say the morning prayer video title that particular channel use is a prayer to start up your day, or a very powerful short prayer to start up your day, or a powerful short prayer of protection to kickstart your day. Use the same title. Avoid the script or the main content of the video, in order for you not to get this reused content claim from YouTube, which can demonetize you or terminate your channel as well. So avoid whatsoever the video is all about. Just work with the title and the thumbnail. So the best thing you can do is to pick that title, take it to your Gemini AI or maybe your ChatGPT, get your script and edit it, make your video and upload it. This was one of the things that really helped this my students, and before she could even post her third, fourth, fifth video, she went viral. And that was what really helped her to monetize her channel faster. Okay, now aside from that, another thing that most of us are sleeping on is this aspect of using hashtag and tags for our videos. Yes, I know that sometimes I have come up here to tell us that it doesn't work, but if I'm gonna be honest with us, these things work. Okay, so if it's working for you, keep on using it, but do not overuse it. Use relevant tags, important tags, and hashtag for your prayer videos. Okay, now after that, another thing you need to also apply is making use of playlist and end screen. This is not like normal video, even on a normal video, because I also preach it here for us to use these features because of their benefits. As a faceless niche, as a prayer channel, you really really need these three powerful settings: your playlist, your end screen, and your YouTube card. Why do you need them? Their duty is to help YouTube to keep pushing your video to the eyes of the viewers. That is the duty of playlist, end screen, and YouTube card. So if you're not using it till now, you're making a very big mistake. Okay, so try your best to make sure you start applying them on your channel. I think in my next video, or maybe the video might have dropped already, I don't know, I'm going to be sharing with us videos on how to actually set up this playlist, set up this end screen and YouTube card properly. Okay, so I don't want this video to be extremely too long. These are the basic things that this my student did on her channel. There's nothing serious that actually got her this monetization so fast. So what I'm going to urge you, if you have any channel right now that you feel that, oh, this channel is not doing well in terms of views, you don't know what is happening, just test run this particular strategy that I'm sharing with us right now. And before you know it, with no time, you're going to start getting visibility. Oh, my baby is coming in the background. So basically, what you just have to do is to test run some of all these tricks and hack. But if you're constantly doing it and you're not getting visibility at all on the channel, yes, I know starting over sometimes used to be very hard, but this has worked for so many people that I have worked with. And um I think I have shared it with us some times ago on this channel. Don't always be sad to start all over again on a brand new channel testing the same strategy. There's no how you're going to definitely see results. Okay, so if you have any question or maybe you have any niche you want me to really hit on, do well to drop it in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be with us shortly. Okay, so make sure to do well to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share this video so that it can get to a lot of other youtubers out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next one. I'm not really seeing my camera, everywhere is blurry. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Bye. And how do you see my background? Let me know in the comments.